everyone and welcome back to my channel Cook and Eat. And today we are going to make hotel style chicken chili. So let us start. So first we are going to see the marination for the chicken and then we will fry it. Ingredients are half kg of chicken, half teaspoon of ajinomoto, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of garam masala, half teaspoon of chaat masala, 1 teaspoon of green chili paste, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of green chili sauce, 1 teaspoon of red chili sauce, 1 teaspoon of soya sauce, 1 tablespoon of besan, maida and corn flour. These are the ingredients for marination. Now take a bowl and add half kg of chicken in it. Then add half teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of ajinomoto. In it add half teaspoon of chaat masala and 1 teaspoon of green chili paste, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, half teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of green chili sauce, 1 teaspoon of red chili sauce and 1 teaspoon of soya sauce. Now once you have added the soya sauce, add 1 tablespoon of besan or gram flour, maida or refined flour and corn flour, all 1 tablespoon, and mix all these ingredients together and then keep it for rest for 15 minutes. Now after 15 to 30 minutes of marination, add 1 egg into the marinated chicken and also 1 teaspoon of vinegar and mix the egg and the vinegar well with the marinated chicken. And now we are going to fry it. The oil is hot and I am frying the chicken pieces one by one in the hot oil. Repeat the same till all the chicken are fried. Fry it until it is nice and golden. So I have fried all the chicken. So you can see I have fried all the chicken pieces. It is nice and crispy. Also it is nice in color also. Now we have to keep it aside for cooling for maximum 1 hour, minimum 30 minutes. So after the chicken pieces get cooled and crispy, we are going to make the gravy for it. So let us start. Now for the gravy, take a pan and heat 2 teaspoons of oil in it. And once the oil is heated, add half teaspoon of green chili paste and half teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Now add 2 to 3 green chilies and saute the green chilies and the ginger garlic paste together. Now add 1 finely diced onion in it and saute it also. Then add 2 to 3 diced capsicum and mix all these ingredients together. Then add salt according to your taste in it. And mix them together. Now add half teaspoon of ajinomoto, 1 teaspoon or less than 1 teaspoon of green chili sauce and 1 teaspoon of soya sauce. If you have, you can also add dark soya sauce and cabbage at this stage. And then add 2 tablespoons of cashew almond paste. The cashew almond paste should not be very thick also. Add little water and grind it. Now add half teaspoon of vinegar and mix it. Also add half teaspoon of sugar, just half teaspoon. Now take 1 teaspoon of corn flour and add 2 to 3 teaspoon of water in it and mix the corn flour and the water together. Now once the gravy is sauteed, Add the chicken pieces in it first. And mix the chicken pieces and the gravy together. Toss it nicely. And after 5 minutes, add the corn flour paste which we made in it and mix them together. And let it cook for 5 to 10 minutes. Just keep on mixing for 5 minutes. You can also add half cup of water before adding the chicken in the gravy if you want more gravy. And the hotel style chicken chili is ready to serve. Thank you for